Hi everyone, welcome back. This is going to be a very long, drawn out episode, but not for you, for me, because I have to get this car out of the shop because I have to fix something else. If you're new to the channel or a long-time subscriber, thank you so much for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you have not yet already. It doesn't cost you nothing and it helps me a ton. It's hot. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's hot in here. It's the middle of summer. It's another 90+ degree day. I've got the doors open. I got the fan on. I'm trying to get as much hot air out of here as possible because it's always hotter in here than it is outside. So I gotta do a little bit of maintenance to the car today. I left you off when I was doing some rear end maintenance. I have to do transmission maintenance, but the problem is I have to get it out because I only have one garage bay and I have to fix someone else's car so that they can actually, go where they need to go. And so I'm doing that right now, and I'm like wrangling spiders at this very moment because I'll be honest with you, I haven't been in here in that long that they've started to take over. But I gotta get the drive shaft put back in this car. I have to get it back on the ground. I really need to clean the carburetor out because it's really not running great and I haven't done it in a long time and it's just good maintenance. So I'm gonna do that. And then I have to open the trailer up, get the car back in the trailer because it's just another garage bay for me, I guess. But we'll do that, and then in a few days, whenever this subsides, I can finish the video by getting the car back in here and hopefully pull the transmission out so that I can inspect it, because that's not happening right now. I gotta do other things, so it is what it is. So I gotta get to work. I'm a race fan first and a racer second. I'm gonna go inside because I am really hot. I've been outside all day so I can watch the SRX race at Stafford. Apparently they're gonna run next week too because of all the really bad flooding in Vermont, and that really stinks. Yeah, all that heavy rain that went straight to Vermont came from here, but it built up before it got there. So we got drenched, but they got flooded, and it sucks. And I feel bad for all the people up there, and I hope everything's all right. But whew, yeah, I'm hot. Transmissions, well, I didn't take it out, I guess. I put the drive shaft back in and made sure everything works. A bunch of needle bearings fell out and hit me in the chest and neck, so I had to wipe that off. But a cold shower feels really good right now, but I'll be back in a few days. I got the carburetor cleaned out. You saw me doing that. I got a mouthful of carb cleaner because I sprayed the wrong hole in the metering block before I realized what I was doing. Luckily it didn't go into my eyes. That's what you get for always having safety glasses on. So when I get LASIK, I'll miss that. More on that later, but I'll catch up with you in a few days. Hopefully I can get this other thing fixed quickly. It's a few days later. Got my ears lowered. It is 96 degrees in the garage. I have been very busy the last week or so. I think I'm about a week late getting a video out this time, and I'm not very happy about that, but at the same time, you got to kind of understand that I'm doing this for fun, I guess, because it's not my living yet. Hopefully it's someday, but doubtful. Anyway, it's hard for me to put videos out when I got life going on, and the garage was taken up for, the better part of a week. I had to fix street cars and fix other stuff around the house, and you know, life gets in the way when you're trying to do this type of thing, and I just couldn't get in here, and now I don't have a video out like I wanted to, but what are you gonna do? I mean, this is life, it is what it is. But luckily I got the car back in the shop now, and it's hot. It's really hot. I gotta get the thing put into place, lift it back in the air. I gotta change the springs out of it because we're experimenting with some stuff, and it's not a route we've never been down. I've definitely done it before, but we're going back to doing a lot of stuff that that we've used before, but kind of tried to get away from for some strange reason. And ever since we tried getting away from it, it never worked out. So it's like, I guess it's time to go back to that. Our experimenting phase should be over because we really kind of need to stop struggling. I don't have the time. I don't have the length of career left. I don't have any sort of funding to just go out here and screw around. I got to get stuff done, and I don't know how much longer racing is going to be around for me. And I'm going to try, though. I'm going to see what I can do. If I look extremely glossy today, it's because I also just got off the treadmill. So straight in the garage. Let's just lose more water weight. But anyway, time to get her back in the air. I don't think I'm going to have time to get the transmission torn apart. It's not whining. It's just got a shift issue, and it's only on downshift. So I think I can put that off for at least another, I don't know, month whenever I get around to it. I have a giant pile of tools to clean up from doing side jobs. I got my springs and stuff that I've been testing down here. I don't really know what I want to run yet. I've been experimenting with stuff on the Spring Raider, and I'm going to clean this crap up. I'm going to get the car back in the air, and we're going to start yanking it back apart so that I can at least continue on this video. Alright, she's back on the ground. I had a huge fiasco with it falling off jacks and moving things around. I still got a little body damage to fix, but I think I'm going to have to cut the video short here. It's ready for setup, but I am just overheated. And when it comes to YouTube, you have to create videos in order to stay in the algorithms, and if I don't create videos, I don't see my subscriber count come up. I don't see the view count come up. I don't see anything. It kind of drops you out of it. So it's like, I'm sorry for the quality of this one. I was just so busy and it's so hot that I just haven't been able to do anything, but we did get a lot done. I'll be fair, we did get a lot done. We got I think I did the rear in a different video. Can't remember now. Or did I do that this video? I don't even remember anymore. It's been so dang long. But anyway, I got the springs all swapped. I got the car on the ground. It's ready for inspection. It's ready for a setup, which is going to come next video. And then after that, we're going to race. So I'll make up for it by putting a couple different videos out for you guys. But thank you all again for hanging in there with me. It's been tough lately. I've had a lot going on behind the scenes I can't really mention or talk about because, well, you'd be bored to death. So I got that. I got this giant pile of tires I got to work on. But my God, I have air conditioning in this garage, and we'll put that in air quotes because that's air conditioning. No. And I'm dying out here, and I think I just got to take a minute to just relax. You know, I've been going flat out for years and years now, and it's kind of wearing on me. If I'm going to use this as kind of a confessional to you guys, I had all these plans of racing and doing stuff full time next year, and I don't even know if they're going to happen anymore, and stuff is just kind of spiraling right now. So I'm just hanging on for dear life because I don't really know what direction I'm going in next, and I'm trying to keep one thing constant, and that's you guys. I'm trying to keep you guys in the loop. I'm trying to keep the videos coming. So please hang in there. I do have better things on the way, and I got a lot of different projects, not all racing related, coming. It's just, I'm exhausted, guys. I'm sorry. This will be another short one. I'll throw another thing up for you when we start doing setup stuff in a couple days, but thank you all for your support. Thank you all for watching. Thank you all for subscribing. Thank you for just kind of being there right now. And this isn't willy-nilly. I'm not just throwing things at the wall to see if it sticks. This is all different theories and engineering things that I got going on in my head. And some of it worked, some of it didn't. We wrote it all down in all those books I showed you before. All these right here. There's 10 of them, I swear. And we're gonna get there. Trust me, we're gonna get there, and we'll be better. We will be better. So subscribe if you haven't already. Please tell your friends if you think they'd enjoy automotive related content and a lot of DIY stuff. And again, if you haven't, please consider doing so. To those of you who have, thank you so much. I know I'm rambling, and I just heard raindrops start on my roof, so I got to get inside. So until next time.